Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page on Squarespace website in 2024. Whether, of course, you're trying to create a login page, which is very useful for maybe a member's only content or maybe some gated access to certain areas of your site. So to create it, you'll need to follow the step-by-step guide. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section, just type squarespace.com, hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll be taken here to this site or to this page. So click on login to log into your account, as you can see right here. And if you don't have an account, you can click on create an account at the top right corner again. Of course, you can use a Google, Apple, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the account dashboard where you can find all the sites that you have, if you have any. If you don't, you can simply just come here, click on create a website, and start creating your websites right away. It's very easy to do. You need some guidance. I have some videos on how to create a site. I've even shown you how to create a site using AI. You can go check them out. Of course, you can also browse through the sites that you want to create your login page into. As an example for me, I'll just go to the specific sites for you. Make sure to choose the site or the website that you want to create the login page into as again. So as an example in here, to create first of all a page, we'll need to go, of course, like if you just created your site, make sure to design it, change the fonts, text, colors, images, videos, buttons, links, whatever you want. Just edit it until it matches your needs. Then you can go to this list panel and click on websites. Once you click as an example on websites, this page's option will appear. So click on it. And as you can see, once you click on pages, you'll find multiple pages here. So this one is just this anyway. Let me just go and delete that page. And also this, so I don't have a lot of pages or a lot of things in my landing page or in my main navigation in here. And yeah, that should be good. Anyway, so to create a login page, of course, like before even going to create that page, if we go to this list panel as an example, and we go to content and membership, we'll find here as an example some stuff, which is like what do you want to sell first? A course, video on demand, blog. But what we want is this specifically a member site. So as you can see, use paywalls to create a member only section on your website. What we want basically to have a member option to create then a login page. So just go and click on that. As you can see, we'll have to give it a title. So at the moment, I'll just name it test. Click on continue then. As you can see, you can add that member site, choose whatever like option you want as a home page. So example for me, I'll choose this one for my like member sites. And as you can see, for this one, you need to put like some pricing plans if you want to. Of course, you can like remove them and keep it on free. People will just have to log in, or you can simply edit it. You can create some as you can see, some digital product sales to sell your content in here. Or if you don't want to, of course, you can create a new one. So I'll just example, I'll just name it here free. Why not? Give it a description, the benefits, make sure to have it. So example here, one free video as example. And yeah, I'll just type here free access. Yeah, pricing, as we said, $0. So it's gonna be okay, at least $1. So don't have to choose this fixed amount. For subscription, I'll choose for free. So yeah, for included products, you can add any product that you want, maybe a sticker that you want to add to that, or maybe if it's not free, of course. And yeah, all good to go. So I'll click on create. As you can see, once I create this membership, it's definitely or automatically create like a login page with this. Of course, you can go and add multiple pages, can add whatever you want. As you can see, so you'll find the login option here. So I'll just go and click on preview. Like now I am just a normal visitor to this website. So I'll just click on login page or login. And as you can see, I'll have to wait a bit. Now I'll have to log into my account. As you can see, a login page created automatically once I create this membership option. So if I go here, as an example, I can go here and log in as normal as anyone. So, for example, if I click on edit, of course, you can even go here and create an account. If you still did not create an account, as you can see, you can create your account. And if you have an account, you'll have to sign in. Other than that, if you wanna like edit anything about this specific area or where to log in and membership option, of course, you'll be able to edit. So you can edit again the themes, the fonts, the colors, the buttons, the forms, everything as example. So you can choose like how does it look like, you can choose what buttons do and etc. And once you change everything that you want, make sure to save the changes and exit it. And yeah, like that's normally it. So if you go now to websites as an example, and as we said before, if we click on preview, so let's say someone just entered our site. So they'll find like everything in here and you'll find the login. So once they click on login, as you can see, they'll be asked to log in into an account. As simple as that. Click on create an account if you don't have an account and create your account. So let's say as an example, I'm trying to create an account as a visitor. So I'm just gonna enter like a random email here. If they ask me for verification, I'll not be able to do it, but it's fine. So I'm just doing from 1 to 9. And yeah, I'll just go here and click on create an account. And as you can see, well, they prompt me to. So as an example, yeah, your account is not verified. So click gets a verification thing as an example. So you go to the email example and gets verified. Then of course, you have successfully your account. You can go and access your accounts. You can log in into your accounts on this site, as you can see. So that's just when we're previewing to show you like the login is working as intended. And yeah, so you created your login page with the membership like area if you want. Of course, you can even keep it all free if you want to. You can add your pricing plans if you want to. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.